Hello YouTube! Welcome to the last episode of my Carve Your Own Christmas Crib series. The most important nativity scene character we didn't carve until now are Mary and Jesus. So let's change that. First of all, I want to show you how to draw Mary. As on all other figurines from this nativity scene, we start the drawing with the 3-circle trick. This helps us to keep the right proportions. In the first video of this series, I explained you how this trick exactly works. The link for this video you find here. Because Mary is kneeling, I cut off the bottom half of the first circle. The biggest challenge in crafting Mary will be the face part, because this part we carve slightly deepened. Our Mary is carrying Jesus in her arms. This is the side profile from Mary. First step is to draw in the face section. I don't draw the face section at the very end of the stick, so that I can hold the branch from both sides while carving. With the small blade I make stop cuts along the contour. Be careful during this step and support the branch on the table, never work on your legs. With careful fine cuts, I carve out the area of the face. On the next step, I shorten the branch a little above the cutout of the face. After this, I carve the sides of the head. When this is done, I carve the back and the back of Maria's head in one line. Now I round off the square head. After trying out in which position Mary is carrying the baby in her arms, I cut out the depression with the wood saw. Later I will glue Jesus in this recess. The last step is to shorten Maria to the correct length. Don't forget, Maria is kneeling. And last but not least, I make the little Jesus. So my friends, Mary and Jesus is done and our crib is completed. I hope you liked this whole series. Thanks a lot for visiting my channel, for watching this series, and see you next Friday. Ciao!